Hi, here's a Hunter Mariner fan running on low speed. Other be on medium and high. I found this fan in the trash, and it was originally installed in a coffee shop. When it was installed, it was on a really high ceiling, and I walked past it a few times for like 10 years. And I never thought I would be able to pull the chain. But I did. And this fan is wet rated. So if I need a white outdoor fan, I'll have this one. I'll also be showing high updraft, then I'll be showing spin down. And this pull chain is used to change direction, which I'll show after I turn on high and show it on high. When it was installed in coffee shop, it was always on high and it was turned on. And always on downdraft. When I look through the window in coffee shop when I trash pick this fan, and air conditioning won't be installed, so maybe there'll be no fans at all. When it was installed, it was dirty and wasn't really cleaned. And one good thing about plastic blades is that it was very easy for me to clean. This fan wobbles a little bit, as you can see by chain swinging, and it blows a good amount of air, but maybe not enough when it's 90 degrees outside. I shall mention that newer Mariner with model number starting with 5 use slide reverse switch that's covered instead of pull chain as a reverse switch. And this is my first fan with a pull chain as a reverse switch. I want to say that fans of pull chain as a reverse switch is usually either outdoor fan, which is this, or fan in Canada. Although newer Canada fans usually have slide switch as a reverse switch. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.